Alright, how y'all doing? Here at the range, doing some winter warm-up. Got the winter tee out, which is brilliant. If you can get yourself one of these tees. Don't know why I've not thought of this earlier. They're for the range mats. It's not a full massive one, but it's fine because I sit it on top. And that way the ball doesn't fall off or anything. One thing I'm working on is getting here and then swinging my hands around, which is working on the pivot point for my shoulder. We've talked about this umpteen times about the pivot point being your shoulder. As your lead arm rotates. And a lot of people say your shoulders should be slightly closed, so I've found the best way to do it, to get in a consistent position, is drop your club in here, keep your shoulders where they are and swing this round. And then you might need to move your feet a little to get comfy, but you know your shoulders are good now. Your head's in a good position behind the ball. So from there, just swing. And you get a nice draw virtually every shot. And it's a really, really good check point on the course, because obviously you're setting up behind the ball and then you're coming in. And you can check here that that's all pointing where you want it to go, which means this shoulder's leading, this one's lower. Turn this round, shuffle in, just walk about a bit. And then from there, you know you're in the right place. And to be honest, it catches the middle of the club face all the time, and it's a really good checkpoint. You can do it with every club, you know. So it also helps with you. So when you're doing this, your hands are in, and you turn them. It means your hands are set the same distance from the ball with every club, and this part here, you know, is right. So you can get a bit more consistency about your swing and the setup and stuff. And it's very easy to do on the course. As you can see, it only takes a couple of seconds, so I'm looking where I want to go. I've got my point. I move in. I actually put the club like 2 or 3 inches set. Yep. Comfy there, swing round, right? You need to shuffle in because I'm too far from the ball. That's me ready to go. Head's in a good position. And it's very repeatable. Look at that for a pattern. Out the middle, every shot. So if I was doing it with an iron or that, it's exactly the same. Oh, it's very good for getting yourself into the right consistent position. Also, like if you're here, you're checking that's a straight line. So you can check your feet are actually straightish, then you know your shoulders. But of course your shoulders are closed, right? See? And then you're this point here though is the point that the vertical wall point that you want to brace and post against. So I think I've done this before and it really does help, especially if you're wanting to hit fairways. It's very, it just keeps the ball going straight middle. Straight. Oh, I think I got away from doing it because I got out the habit of it because I got really confident with my setup because I was doing it and it was comfortable. But sometimes you lose it, and to be honest, if you set up like that, you know your shoulders are closed. You rotate your hands around, you not move your shoulders, you shuffle in, you get comfy. That's half a golf, isn't it? You're in the same position every time. Consistency. And it just helps with everything. So, a fairly short video at the range, but I think there's a lot of good positives to take out of this. Because, well, you know, we're going on the course for 9 holes. And so it's just so out the middle. Still got the Vega. I'm getting more and more used to this driver, so I've kept it in the bag. Go down and have a putt, get ready to go out. A little update on the GPS thing. I use that GPS more. I look at like the front yardage and the back yardage, but I'm visually feeling the shot. But I know that I've got, say, 140 yards to the back edge. So basically, I'm taking enough club to get me there, knowing that you're not going to possibly hit it 100% all the time, but you know that even if you do, you ain't going big. It's a good way to play, especially in the winter, because you ain't getting any run. Ball stops when it lands. Like I say, when you get a preferred lie, like this ball's got a B on it, so every time I prefer lie that if I wanted to hit a draw, I'd put it so my eye would be looking at the B on the like left edge of the ball. If I wanted it for a cut, I'd be putting it on the right edge of the ball. So that, you know, and that's another cracker as well. Like if you're getting a preferred lie on one of those chrome soft balls, you can actually put it so the red line you're looking. So like that, you're looking at the red line. So it's a great way in the winter to kind of hone your game, isn't it? Right, thanks for watching, supporting the channel. As always, without you guys, we wouldn't have got here, so I can't thank you enough. Hopefully, I don't know with the ad revenue what will happen for it, but like how much we'll get, I don't think it'll be much, like a couple of quid here or there, but it's all going to charity, so it'll all help. Macmillan, Help the Heroes, Shelter UK. We ain't going to be doing this full time. We're trying to make a living out of it like some maniacs. It's just for raising some money, helping others and tracking our progress on the golf course. So thanks for watching.